Hey, Mr. Brown Tom, why don't you come down here? Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Mr. Brown Tom on the guitar, right here. He's got a very special song to play for us right now, right? That's right. And ladies and gentlemen, I want us all to sing this song together. Here we go. Body of a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, you gotta be a big man. So take it down, right on your face, make this face, keep it on, keep it on. We will rock you. You sing it. We will rock you. Young man, hard man, shout it in the street, you gotta be a big man. So take it down, right on your face, make this face, waving out there all over the sing it. Come back down here. Come up here and play us a guitar solo. Hey, just get down, just get down. Let's bring it down. That's right. Here's what I want to do. I want us all to sing the rest of the song together. But we're going to start it low. We're going to start it quiet. Then we're going to bring it up so fucking loud together. It's already. And I want to see how crazy you motherfuckers still are tonight, alright? Now, are you ready? Are you ready? Then let's do it. You're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, you're gonna be a big man. Someday you're gonna